Okay, let me explain you for the cha-cha-cha. What's the most important for your basics? So instead of going walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, we're gonna do twist, walk, twist, cha-cha-cha. So you're going walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, cha-cha-cha. Yes, if we do three cha-cha-chas, it's exactly the same idea. Instead of going cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, we're gonna go cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha. Let's try. Three cha-chas. Cha-cha-cha, 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 cha-cha-cha. So how to do it? So let's practice like this. Put your feet like this. Now you have to activate the pocket, the front pocket technique. When you whack that pocket back, it's actually activate your chest forward and it rolls your other leg in. So do this exercise. First like this, and stay here. I go boom, 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 boom. Just exercise, bring the legs in, go boom, switch. Now other leg, boom, 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 boom. So when you stay here, your chest is over your foot. You release your hip, knee touching a small triangle. Now here in cha-cha, you can do very fast hip twist. Walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. So let's try it together with me. So go, walk, walk, cha, 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 walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. Now one more, cha, 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 walk, walk, cha, 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 walk, walk, cha, cha, fam. So on the all.